Bitcoin rebounds, but is the power in crypto quietly shifting? Bitcoin just fell below $100,000 for the first time in months. And what happens next could decide who controls the future of crypto. Don't blink, the power shift has already begun. After 2 brutal days of selling, crypto markets are finally taking a breath. Bitcoin is trying to climb back from its worst drop in 4 months, now trading just under $104,000. Ethereum and XRP are also ticking higher. Equities are rebounding as well, as investors attempt to shake off valuation concerns in the AI trade and uncertainty surrounding US policy. But this little bounce doesn't mean the storm has passed. Underneath the surface, something much bigger is happening, and it could reshape the crypto landscape heading into 2026. The sell-off this week wasn't random. Analysts at Citi say it came from slowing demand in spot Bitcoin ETFs and fading risk appetite across digital assets. On-chain data reveals a subtle but alarming trend. Bitcoin whales are quietly reducing their positions. Smaller retail wallets are the ones buying the dip, while institutions step back and watch. When the big money goes silent, that's when markets become fragile. And that's why ETF flows are now the #1 thing to watch. If institutional buyers return, sentiment can flip in an instant. If not, we may not have seen the bottom yet. Meanwhile, in the legal battleground of crypto, Sam Bankman-Fried's fight for a new trial may be on life support. A panel of federal judges appeared skeptical as his lawyers argued that customers never truly lost their money, claiming creditors recovered more than 100% with interest. But one judge fired back, saying the record shows very substantial evidence of guilt. SBF still faces 25 years behind bars, and his path to freedom grows darker with every appeal. For the first time in a long time, the message is clear: crypto crime won't be shrugged off. But while some giants fall, others are rising faster than anyone expected. Ripple just secured $500 million in new funding, boosting its valuation to $40 billion. The company is aggressively expanding far beyond payments into custody, prime brokerage, and corporate treasury services. And its stablecoin, Rust, is off to a hotter start than analysts anticipated, hitting a $1 billion market cap in under a year. Ripple isn't chasing hype. It's targeting institutional use cases, integrating stablecoin liquidity into real global payment flows. When a corridor benefits more from a stablecoin than XRP, Ripple uses the stablecoin because efficiency wins. And stablecoins, according to Brad Garlinghouse, are about to become a $1 trillion industry. He says the United States, the world's largest economy, is no longer hostile to crypto. In fact, America is leaning in again. A shift that could ignite a race for dominance across digital finance. Ripple supports both Democratic and Republican lawmakers who champion innovation. The goal is simple: regulatory clarity, clear rules, and a level playing field for crypto companies to build inside the US instead of running away from it. And here's the twist. The more the US embraces blockchain, the more institutional capital wants exposure to companies like Ripple, not just coins. That's why Ripple made more than $4 billion worth of acquisitions this year, snapping up traditional finance infrastructure to connect crypto liquidity with trillions of dollars moving through global corporations every single day. They are building bridges, and once those bridges are fully open, capital will move through them fast. Now, everyone wants to know, is Ripple going public? Well, not yet. They have the cash to grow without Wall Street. They're even buying shares back from early investors, more than $2 billion this year alone. But if they do IPO, Garlinghouse says it will definitely be in the United States. That statement alone speaks volumes, because it suggests that the power center of crypto may be shifting back to America. So yes, Bitcoin is up today. Green candles feel good. But what really matters is where the power flows next. Stable coins are rising. Institutions are waiting. Regulators are changing. And Ripple's strategy signals that the next phase of this bull run may have very different winners. The market paused its sell-off today, but the battle for crypto's future just accelerated. If the big money comes back, everything could ignite again. The only question is, who will lead when crypto's new chapter begins? Bitcoin, stablecoins, institutional giants, or all of the above, under a very different balance of power? One thing is certain, this story has only just begun.